some people might remember me from DIY with Dad. My name is Ray. I'm 11 turning 12 and we have just moved to Portugal, and now my goal is to turn this old channel into a new one of my Portugal life and just with my family. So hope you enjoy. This is the intro. Back from the intro, I see. So now I will be showing you what we are doing today at the house because it's Sunday, school tomorrow, and we wanted to get as much building as we can in and just cleaning up. So today we are burning all of our remains of the house. Can you see? Just a small fire. Yes.
Hello.
Not going near there. So let me introduce. This is my cousin Lexi.
Who's this going to, people?
YouTube.
YouTube, people! We are starting a YouTube channel.
Portugal
One
life.
day we will get a YouTube play button. Maybe not today, but you never know.
A few years.
A few years.
And now, and here is my mom.
Hello.
Feet. My sister,
Hello.
Mila. Otherwise, just Mila. Hey, now you might remember my dad, or just Papa.
Just Pops.
Yes,
Yes.
Pops, whatever. Yeah. And now, and the next few shots will just be some pictures of our house because I'm not sure if I can walk around because my feet are kind of sore. So, yes, it will just be a few shots of the house. And hope you enjoy with the nice music in the background.
I go for a walk, the sidewalk is cracked. I'm not
The little room that I'm in right now, we're actually not sure what to call it because it was going to be a room, but now it's just a storeroom, I suppose. And so here it is. It has a lot of doors and a nice gate and stuff in it. So, you know, storage room. So here it is.
but I made a pact with old Mother Earth. She'd get off my back.
I'm back, and I hope you enjoyed the small tour of our house. And I guess that's the end of the video, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye.